Hello students, today in this session of social we are going to start with our last chapter, that is chapter number 9, the freedom movement of 1857. Now, can anyone tell me that why our freedom movement, why the reformers, why the Indians started the freedom movement?
Because they were feeling fed up.
Very good. They were feeling insecure, right? Because of the Britishers, because of the policies of the Britishers, and because of their behavior. Yes, right? So the nationalism, the feeling of nationalism arose in the people of India. You know now what is the feeling of nationalism?
Yes.
What is the feeling of nationalism? Tell me.
Love
For our country, right? That arose in Indian people because of, not only because of Europeans, they entered in India, not only because of that, they entered, they started trading, that till that we were okay. But when slowly they started ruling, their behavior changes towards Indian, that was the main reason for the freedom movement of India. People were dissatisfied. Indian people were not satisfied with the work of Britishers. So there were many reasons why the Indian people started the freedom movement. There are social reason, there is economic reason, there is political reason, and many other reasons. Because of that, our Indian people started the freedom movement, that we want our free India, our free nation, right? So in that many reformers, right, were there who took, and we can say that took an initiative for the freedom movement. So we are going to learn about the brave reformers, right? Like Mangal Pandey. He was the first one to die for the nation. First one to die for the freedom movement. The first young guy to die for the nation. Okay, so we are going to learn about them in detail, about the reformers in detail, and about the behavior of Britishers among the people, and how the revolt started, how it became a failure. The revolt they started, the Indian people started the revolt, right? Revolt, you know what is revolt, right? The movement. They started the movement, but it was a failure. Why it was a failure, that also we are going to learn. Okay, this much is clear what we are going to learn in this chapter. Okay. Because of these main reasons, that is social reason, economic reason, political reason, and military reason. Now here, first we will start with social reason. The people were feeling insecure. Now why? Because the Europeans were trying to convert their religion into Christianity by force. They used to offer poor people money, and they used to change their religion into Christianity. Hindu people used to change their religion into Christianity. This was the force of the British government, and because of that, the people thought that we are destroying our culture, we are destroying our religion, and that is why they started the revolt. This was the social reason, right? Because they were feeling insecure that we are destroying our culture, we are destroying our religion, and Britishers are doing this forcefully, right? So this was the main social reason why we started the revolt. Then economic reason. We have already learned about the condition of peasants, the condition of farmers, right? So the condition was becoming very poor. The people of India becoming poorer and poorer because of the economic condition of India was not good. As I told you that when British was searching for the sea route to India, India was like, have you heard the word Sone ki Chidiya?
Yes.
Right? India was like that. But when they entered, they started trading, they started interfering. After that, the economic condition of India became very bad, very worse, and the people of India became poorer and poorer. Okay, so this was the economic condition. Financially the people were not upgraded or they were not good. Okay, so this was the economic reason why the people started the revolt. Another reason was political reason. Politics. Britishers started Diwani rights, Britishers started subsidiary alliance, Britishers started annexation policies, right? So because of these policies, because of introducing these policies, many places they have captured and they started ruling, right? So even that was the political reason why they started the revolt. Okay, now next is military reason. Indian militaries were also there and British militaries were also there, but see the differentiate, the 6:1, 6 Britisher then 1 Indian, 6 Britisher 1 Indian. This was the partiality, this was the bias that they were doing. Britishers will get 150 rupees as salary per month, while Indian military will get 7 rupees only. So this was the what? This is called difference. This is called we can say bias. They were very biased towards the Britishers. And if the Indian is not saluting the Britisher, they used to take the fine. They used to beat that person. And one incident is there in the movie Bhagat Singh. Have you seen that they used one of the friend of Bhagat Singh? He went to watch the movie. In that, some places are reserved for Britishers. Now by mistake he sat there, right? So Britishers beaten him up very badly, right? So this is the reason, this is the differences that they were doing with Indian people. So this was the military reason. Because of that they started the revolt. But what was the main, they were we can say that Indian people were holding this inside them. What they were doing, they were holding it inside them. They were talking behind the Britishers, but they don't have that, we can say that they were not brave enough to do anything. Then slowly, one incident happened. That was the reason of sudden revolt. This incident happened with Mangal Pandey. The rifle that they were using, Enfield rifle, in that we can say that they were killing the cows and they were killing the pigs and using the the skin of them, and they were making that guns, right? So because of this, the Indian people, they don't believe in this. They were not believing in this, and according to them, this is a we can say paap word sunaya, right? So for Indians, that they cannot use such things made up of the skin of animals, right? So here who refused it? Mangal Pandey refused it, that we will not use this Enfield rifle, right? And in that way the sudden revolt started. The sudden revolt, the sudden aggression of people started among them, right? And slowly they started the revolt. Okay students, so this was the reason. Sudden reason was the use of rifle, Enfield rifle. In that they used to kill the cow and pig, and and they used the skin of them, right, in the cartridge, right? So these were the main reasons of the revolt. One is social reason, one is economic, political and military. These all reasons you can write by your own as well, right? And one more reason was Enfield rifle. Okay, now how they have done the planning of the revolt, that we are going to learn. Now they have planned that they will start the revolt on 31st May 1857. This was just a planning. Okay. What was the date? 31st May 1857. Planning date. Okay. Now after that, who were the main leaders? Nana Sahib, Bahadur Shah Zafar, Kuwar Singh, Nawab of Awadh and Tatya Tope. They were the main leaders of the revolt. Okay, main leader. Now the symbol of the, means they have kept one symbol. that whenever they will use this, it means they are talking about the planning, and that was lotus and roti. What was the symbol? Lotus and roti, so that Britishers will not able to understand what they are talking about, right? So this was the symbol that they have kept, a secret symbol. Okay, so in this way they have done the planning with the leaders, right? And even they have spread this lotus and roti as that time newspaper and this were introduced, right? So they have spread this because with the help of newspaper and other medias. Okay, they have spread lotus and roti. Now next, if we talk about Mangal Pandey, as he refused to use the rifle, he refused. What he denied, right? And as he was in so much of anger, he denied that he will not use the rifle, and because of that the revolt began earlier. Earlier means, right? The planned date was this, but it began earlier. Okay. The main objective is to get the freedom. So he was so excited, or he was so enthusiasm. Means he was having so much enthusiasm in him, so he could not control his feeling, and there was so much anger in him. Right, so he could not control the feeling, and he started the revolt earlier by denying not to use the rifle. Right? Now, after that, he was a Brahmin. He was born in Uttar Pradesh. Right? He was born in Uttar Pradesh and a Brahmin. Right? He started the job with 7 rupees. Started the job with what? 7 rupees. Now, how much money Britishers were getting? 1 right? So he started the job in 7 rupees and he was happy, but this dissatisfaction make them angry, right? Now he was just 26 years old when he joined the army, right? 26 is a very small age, we can say, right? So he was just 26 years old when he started his journey as a soldier. Now the Britisher Hossain, okay, he ordered to arrest him. Why? Because he refused to use the rifle. He ordered to arrest him, right? So what he did, as Mangal Pandey was very angry and he don't want to tell anything about the planning to the Britishers, right? He don't want to leak the things about the planning. So what he did, Mangal Pandey shot him dead. He shot the Britisher. Right, what he did, he shot the Britisher, and even with he defeated other Britishers as well. Right, of course, खुद को बचाने के लिए he did all these things. Right, so what he did, he shot them and he fought with other Britishers as well. Now, after that, he was bleeding. He was all bleeding, and he went. Britishers took him to the hospital. Of course, Britishers don't want him to be like they want to get the information about the planning from him, right? So they want him alive, right? But Mangal Pandey didn't reveal a single thing. He was bleeding. They were torturing him, but he didn't utter a single word about the planning. Not even a single word. So at last they decided to hang him. He was hanged on 5:30 morning, right? On 8th April. And in this way, he was the youngest and the first person who died for our freedom movement, or who died for our revolt. Okay, so he was the first person. He was the first martyr, we can say.